Yeah, so this is Sunday evening. We're we're somewhere. I'm not quite sure where. I'll find out later where I am. But we're by some seafront places. As you can see, the water's over there. Yeah, it's nice. I wish I could film more of it, but people are a little bit skeptical of cameras, so they think it's actually a camera facing forward. So that's why I'm getting these shots. But yeah, it's nice. Bissau is nice. And I just found this place by accident with my friend. There, bye. Yeah. So we just happened to pounce upon this place by accident. And if you can see yonder that way, yonder this way, everyone is having a good time on a Friday evening. Ooh, battery's about to die. These people are scared of cameras, so I'm sneaking a video. This one is good. I know it's getting a bit dark. This one wants me to dance, but there's no way I'm dancing. I'm not making a fool of myself. There's no way I'm making a fool of myself. So, I know it's getting a bit dark. So, yeah, see what you can see. If you can't see what you're supposed to see, book a ticket to Beachside. It's worth it. 100% it's worth it. So do that for yourself. Yeah, but I love it. And this is only like a sneak peek. It's gotten a bit better since I've been here. For the past 5 minutes. It's been better. Yeah, the coast is nice. I wonder what island that is over there. I need to find out that island. I think I'm going to take a ferry over there. So I'm going to play it off as a sort of 360 camera, but as they do not get because for some reason in this country, people are wearing cameras. They're not that much friendly with cameras. Everyone is on a high, but I can get away with it because it's 360. Enjoy. Moonlight. It is nice. Moonlight. Like this Enjoy the view.